So I'm going to do a demo with Intellij, and maybe I'll do Eclipse too. We'll see. So Eclipse. All right. Okay. So when you open Intellij, you'll see something like this. If you've worked on something before, it'll open the project you were working on last time. So if I open up something else, let's just open this. I am. It just click on the icon. It should just open. Okay, so if I want to make a new project, and I recommend making a new project for every assignment.
Do you have to make an account for this?
I don't think so. You do? Okay. Okay, so if you go to new, go to project, you're going to just fill out this dialog box to make a project. So I'm going to call it, what are we doing? Yeah, I'll do hello. Yeah, let's do hello Java. I'm going to select my Java version. I'm using 11. And nope, I'm in the wrong one. Sorry. Up here. There we go. New project. I was doing a Spring one. Sorry about that. So new project. Hello Java. I might already have this. Let's see if it lets me do it. Yeah, cool. Okay, so you should see a page. It's going to basically set everything up for you, and it should look like this. Okay. If you want to make a new file, you're going to put all of your files in this SRC directory. So if you want to make a new class, you right-click it. Again, right-click the SRC directory, go to new, and it'll give you this drop-down of all these different files you can make. So you're going to select Java class, and I'm going to call it say hello. It's what?
In English, it's going to kind of.
Oh, they're going to ask you for money. Yeah, they will. Really? Yeah, you sign up for the free trial. All right, we'll work on it after this. I don't think I had to. Oh. Yeah. Okay, so what? Yes. So the community is totally free. So if you want to use the community version, that would be fine. It doesn't have, when we get to Spring, you're going to run into issues. So I would use, actually, you know what? I think you can use the community. I think the community should be fine. Yeah, because you're just going to install the Spring. There's a Spring plugin, which that costs money, but it's like, you still have a 30-day trial, but it's only like $7 a year if you want it. So once I do this, I have my main. Let me zoom in so you guys can see it. So now to run this, I don't need to do with any like Java C or Java or any of that. The IDE handles it for you. It handles the compiling and all that stuff. So all you need to do is click one of these green arrows. You can click this one. You can right-click the file and go down to where it says run main.main. You can click the green arrow up here. Basically look for a green arrow play button, right? You click that and it will compile, run it, and then you'll see hello world in your terminal at the bottom. Much easier, right? Yeah. Okay, so SRC, if you want to add another class, you right click The new will be at the very top. Go over to Java class. And is it going to make me add a class? I think it will. So let me add.
This is like a shortcut for all the.
Yeah, all the stuff I was doing before. Yeah. So it's going to be the metric class because, yeah. My name? What did I name it? I named it Hello Java. Yeah. Okay, so now I have my main. And I'm going to steal some stuff from the internet because I can't remember what I wrote. Open up. So I'm following this. It's on my GitHub. If you go to our class schedule, go to the repo, and if you go to my page, it's Hello Java. So if you just search on my repositories, search for Hello Java. There it is. Oh, the picture. I was like, that just freaked me out. Like, what are you? All right, man. That's cool. So I'm following this. So I'm going to, I have SRC, then I have a package called Say Hello. So I'm going to make that. So why do I have two things open? Oh, close this. So to make a new package in SRC, you're going to right click, go to new, go over to where it says package, click package, and then name it. And I called it Say Hello. Right? Say hello. Okay, so now I have a package, and this is just ways to modularize our code, right? So I'm going to make a new class in here called Say Hello. So I go to right-click the package where I want to put the class, go to New, Java Class, and I'm going to call it Say Hello. I'm sorry? Sorta, yeah, yeah. It's so they're dependencies of my main. So when I'm going to use Say Hello, I'm going to import the package, import the class, and then use the method that I'm going to write inside of it. Okay. So I'm going to take the code from my repository, Say Hello. It's going to swing hello. I'm just going to copy this because I could never remember it. Oh, I called it swing hello. Okay. Okay, so I'm importing a bunch of stuff here, and as soon as I paste this, they turn red, right? Because it doesn't know what I'm talking about. So if I hover over it, just put my mouse on top, it'll say import class. So I just click import class, and then the IDE will import whatever you need. Okay, so I'm using a library called Swing. It just basically reaches out, imports it. So it makes it much easier. You don't have to remember all this syntax. It basically, the IDE will write the code for you for the most part. Okay, so any questions so far? I feel like I'm going fast.
So, you went back and import JavaX is a library.
Mm-hmm.
I only have to import it. I don't have to install anything.
Don't have to install anything. It's just part of the Java API.
You just went and copied this from your repository.
I did. Yeah, I just stole this code from here. Okay.
What's the name of it? Java?
Hello Java. Okay, so now I want to use this function called Hello Fancy in my main. Okay, so if I go to my main file, I'm going to take this out. I'm going to import Say Hello. Actually, first I'm just going to type it. I'm going to say hello. It sees what I'm trying to do, and if I just hit tab, it'll autocomplete for me. and then it underlines red. So all I need to do now is go to this red light bulb, and that's not working. Oh, you know, I think I need to do more. I need to say hello dot the name of the function. Sorry, I have to use my notes. Oh, okay. So it's in say hello. Oh, fancy. So I'm doing something else. So hello. Put them side by side so I can see what I'm doing. Hello, fancy. There we go. There we go. Oh, it's already there. Yeah, I was trying to do it the fancy way. All right, so I'm just going to import say hello dot say hello. There we go. There we go. You don't have to. No, you don't have to export.
I'm looking at your repository. Hello Java. Java is same as main Java.
Mm-hmm.
And string hello is
Say hello is the package I'm trying to write, and then say hello.
in your package. You have two Java files.
Yeah.
Main and say hello, right?
Oh, I know what I'm doing. Okay, so say hello. Now I remember. Say hello. SH. Yeah, say hello. Equals new say hello. There we go. First time, guys. Sorry about that. Okay, so now I've created an instance of my say hello class. I have say hello. Now I have an instance of the class. I can now call that method.
So that's, you can call that anything you want.
Yes. Yeah. The IDE suggested a name for me, which I decided to use. So now I can say hello dot hello fancy. There we go. Now I'm in business. Okay, so now if I want to run this, how do I run it? Yes, I put this in here. This is the one I couldn't remember. I was having a brain fart. So this is because I have an instance method called hello fancy. So I need to create an instance of the class before I can use the method. Okay, so now if I run this, all I need to do is go to my main, right click, run main. And that's what the Java Swing library is. Okay, so this is what's known as dependency injection. I didn't write the code that makes this cute little window, right? I'm using a library that does it for me. I'm inserting this functionality into my say hello class right here. Okay, so I'm importing javax.swing.everything, and then I'm using the methods and classes that are available. I'm sorry, not the classes, but the methods that are available inside of that package. Okay. JFrame is a class inside of the Java Swing package that makes that window. No, no, this is as long as you import the package. Okay.
But it's automatically downloaded.
It's part of Java. Yeah. So you when you install Java, you get access to the Java API, and this is just one example of the libraries that are available.
I don't understand. So your say hello class has nothing in it, or that's
The say hello class, I'm importing, this is where everything's happening, right? Say hello I've imported the Swing library, and I'm using the methods that are available in Swing to create the window. It gives it a title, gives it text, gives it a height and width, and all that stuff. So if I run this again, I guess it's still running. Let me rerun it. It makes this cool window. Okay, so this is, again, I'm using this as an example of dependency injection using code that comes from somewhere else. Yeah, just so if you want to run any of these, basically you're going to run your main method. So you just click run main.
So how do you get this to open in like a more local focus? Or does it not do that? Java not?
No, it's running a application on my computer that creates this window. Actually, it's my application that creates this window. We're mostly going to be writing command line stuff. I just did this because it's a little more interesting.
So we're not gonna really make anything on that's like we've been doing.
Oh, we will. We will. Yeah, we're gonna use the Swing Swing framework to make web apps. But this is like the first couple days of Python where we just did the basic stuff. That's what we're doing now.
Is this the same code as the repository?
It is. For the most part, I kind of just use the code, but that's a better example of me not fumbling trying to do it in front of 20 people. So the code on the repository is probably more readable. All right.
I don't understand still the say hello equals new say hello. So you have to declare an instance of the function, and then what's the new say hello?
The new is creating a new instance of that function. Just like when we said user equals user parentheses, the only difference is in Python, we don't use the new keyword. We just say user. So this new keyword is what generates a new instance of this class.
But you're doing, so everything is in the say hello method class. Right?
Yes.
So why do you need to what are you making a new one for? I don't understand like why the new say hello, because it's already has all the info in it, so why do you have to make a new?
Because this is an instance method. So just like we had a car class in Python and we wanted to write car.drive, we needed to make a car first. So what we're doing here, we have to say the name or the type of variable, that the variable type of say hello is the say hello class. Okay? Yeah. Yeah.
So that first say hello second say hello is
Exactly. Yes. Yeah, exactly. Okay, I'm going to demo the first